This is how to sign out from your Google Photos app, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your settings and then search here for accounts option. So basically you have to just tap on the account that you have used to log into your Google Photos app, and the only method to log out from your Google Photos app is to simply remove the account from which you log into your Google Photos app. Like simply click on that account and then simply click on remove account. But before doing so, you have to just make sure that you are ready to do so, as it will remove all of the apps and all of the accounts that are related to this Google account. So take this step if you are ready for it. But after signing out, if you are still facing the issue that your photos are not deleted from your Google Photos app, then what you need to do, simply tap and hold on the Google Photos app and then click on the app info. So here simply click on storage and cache. First click on clear cache and then click on clear storage and then delete it from here. So once you done, your all photos will be removed from here. If you are ready for this section, you can do it. So that's how to sign out from your Google Photos app easily. And that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a sense for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.